Hey guys, what's going on? Just going to take a look here at stacks. Ticker for this is STX and currently on a weekly time frame. This coin's trading very technically. So in the last video I did, I mentioned that this kind of range here, this green range, is a very, very key level. So you see it was resistance right here. We had an impulsive move to the upside. The pullback wicked off of this level to a T, came back up. When we came back down, it did hold a support for about a month, broke below it, came back up. The support was flipped to resistance. And yeah, this has just been a key level on the chart. Recently, we had an impulsive move, broke above it. It was support for quite a while. And now, when we were below it, it was resistance. And now we broke above it, right? So now that you could look to this level to serve as a support. However, I'm not so sure we're even going to make it down there again because we are on the verge of breaking out. So you see, if you want to trade stocks, definitely draw this horizontal line on your chart, but also draw this upsloping level of support here and this downsloping level of resistance. In this example, I have it drawn from the wick. So just connect these wicks, and then yeah, now we have 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the fifth touch on it, and as you can see, we are almost breaking out. Now this weekly candle has not closed yet. Pay attention to this because what you want to see is you want to see a candle body close above here. If that happens, I'll probably take it down to the smaller time frame and look for the retest to see if a retest is going to hold and to see if this resistance is going to flip to a support. Once that happens, I do anticipate a strong move to the upside if we're able to hold this resistance line as a support. But yeah, stocks is looking really good. Very, very technical trading. This horizontal line, if you want to draw it on your chart, just take the horizontal line tool and paste it right at the top of these candle bodies right here. So you know if we do get rejected here and we pull back, you can look to this level to be a support. Also, you'll notice that we formed a falling wedge pattern here, which will typically break to the upside. That's exactly what happened. The target on this, to identify the target on a falling wedge pattern, just measure the distance from the top to the bottom here right at the start and project it from the breakout point. So the breakout on this is projected to bring us right around the top of these candle bodies right here. And that is around $1.16. However, if we're able to break out of this larger pattern, the target's going to be much higher. But for now, in the short term, about $1.16 is going to be the local level of resistance. So what I'll actually do, I'll just mark that on my chart so I don't forget. Grab a horizontal ray right there, and I'll just paste it right at the top, right here. Another thing I want to do is measure the retrace. So we had this impulsive move. I'll take a Fibonacci, run it from the start of the move down here up to the top, and you'll see this was a perfect pullback right down to the 618 retracement level. See, we wicked off of it perfectly. So yeah, I do think in the next leg up, we're likely to breach this level of resistance and head higher. But for now, let's just focus on how this candle closes. Again, we want to start seeing candle bodies closing above this downsloping level of resistance. All right, now I'm looking at stacks paired against Bitcoin. This is basically just up and down. Not much as far as identifiable patterns though, although we did just have an impulsive move to the upside, so I'll measure that retrace and see if we are bouncing off a key retracement level, and we came right down to the 786, and this is where we're getting supported. So I wouldn't be surprised if stacks outperform Bitcoin in the coming weeks. Okay, let's put it back to the pairing against USDT. This is just very, very clean. This is the chart that most traders are looking at, obviously. But yeah, just a quick one. You know what to look for now. If you found this video helpful, smash the like button. If you're not subscribed and you want to get notified when I release new content, click subscribe, click the bell, click on all. If you click away without doing that, you're probably going to have a hard time finding the channel again just because it's relatively new. There's still less than 2,000 subscribers, and because of that, I'm not really prioritizing the search algorithm. Also, if you want to trade stacks on an exchange that does not require KYC, nowadays most of the centralized exchanges are requiring that you submit your personal information. One of the few ones that's not requiring that right now is called BingX. So I put a link to BingX in both the description of this video and the pinned comment. And through that particular link, you can get a sign-up bonus of up to $5,000. Obviously, to get the $5,000 bonus, you have to deposit quite a bit. And I never recommending putting too much of your portfolio on any centralized exchange. The bulk of your crypto should remain offline on a hardware wallet so it's nice and safe. And then just take a small percentage of that to trade with. And if you are trading, I would even recommend using maybe 2 or 3 different exchanges and then just diversify your risk that way. But yeah, there are three exchanges linked in the pinned comment and the description, and all three of them are offering you guys sign-up bonuses. But be aware that OKX and Bitget will likely have a KYC process, whereas BingX doesn't. Also, if you're in crypto, VPN can be very beneficial. So I also included a link to a promotion on a VPN. All right, guys, take care. Have a good day. Bye.